Good morning, children. We are going to do exercise a watering rhymes of the workbook. First, we will read the text based questions. Then, we will answer the following question. Read the extract given below and answer the questions. Water at the roots, flowers keep their mouths wet. We should wear our boots, soak the earth around them. Then through all the heat, the flowers will have water for their thirsty feet. Now over here the extract is given. Now we'll look at the question what it says and we'll find the answer from the extract. Where should we water the flowers? Where should we water the flowers? Here the poet is questioning us. Where you will water the flowers? How or where you will water the flowers? So what is the answer over here? We should water the flowers at the roots. What is the answer? We should water the flowers at the roots. It says always at the roots we should water the flowers first from the roots. Question 2. In the stanza, what does the feet refer to? In the stanza, what does the feet refers to? Over here, feet means what? See, for their thirsty feet. Over here you can see, for their thirsty feet. So what it refers? So feet refers to roots. What is the answer? Feet refers to roots. Find the word in the extract which means the same as drench. From the extract, we have to find out the words same as drench. Water, A. B. Soak, C. Thirsty, D. Roots. So what is the drench ka another word? So over here you can see, children, here thirsty is the another word for drench. So we'll take on thirsty. Fourth, find antonym of heat is. Antonym of heat is A. Cold, B. Warm, C. Torrid, D. Sultry. So what is the antonym of heat is? Heat का क्या है antonym? It is cold. So we have circle over here cold. We have put a tick at cold. Short answers type questions. 2. When should we water the flowers? We should water the flowers at morning and evening. Yes. Do you remember in the poem, children, what it said? Where should we water the flowers? We should water the flowers at morning and evening. What makes the flowers die? Watering at noonday makes the flower die. What makes the flower die? Over here what it says about the flowers? Why it dies? Because we water the flowers at noonday. It is not good. We should water the flowers at noonday. The exact timing for water the flowers is what? Morning and evening. Now we'll go to the next. What is the position of the sun at noon? Sun is at high position at noon. So it is not possible to water the flowers at that time. Why do flowers need water? Why do flowers need water? Flowers need water to grow. Yes. If you will give water to the flowers, it will grow. So flowers need water to grow. Language based questions. Match the words in column A with their meanings in column B. Column A, watering. 2, noonday. 3, roots. 4, boots. And 5th is soak. Over here column B, the part of a plant that grows under the ground to make something completely wet. Pouring water at noon. A type of shoe. Now we'll go to the first one, watering. What is the watering? So it is what? Pouring water. See, you can see over here it is written one, that is pouring water. 2 number, nobody. So nobody, no, noonday. 2, it is noonday. So means at noon. So here we have written 2 over here, noon, at noon. Noonday means at noon. Watering means pouring water. Then third, roots. So what is the correct answer? The part of the plant that grows under the ground. So this is 3 number. What is this? This is 3 number. Then fourth, boots, a type of shoe. A type of shoe. This is 4th number. And last, soak. So to make something completely wet. To make something completely wet. Now rearrange the following letters to make meaningful words. Over here you can see jumble is given. We have to try to find out from jumble words a meaningful word we have to make. So what is the first one? morning, morning. Then the second, flower, flower. Third, noonday, noonday, noonday. Then the fourth, mouth, mouth, mouth. Then boots, boots, boots. And the last is earth, earth. Now once again we will say morning, flower, noonday, mouth, boots, earth. Now next exercise. Write the antonyms of the following words. What is this? Write the antonyms of the following words. Early. So late, late, late. Then second is what? High. So it will be low, low. Then morning, morning. So what will be the morning ka antonyms? Evening. Die. So it will be live, live, live. Write the rhyming words for the following. R, hour. So it will be flower, flower, flower. Children, you remember the rhyming words which we had done? Yes? Okay. High, so die. Roots, boots. Heat, feet. Rhyming words means what? Little bit of changing of the alphabet is there and the pronunciation is little bit same. Again, R, flower, high, die, roots, boots, heat, feet. Now unjumble the names of the flowers. What is this? Unjumble the names of flowers. The first one is rose, rose. Then second is lotus, lotus, lotus. Lily, lily. And the last is jasmine, jasmine. What is the last? Jasmine. We'll read again this page. What is the position of the sun at noon? The sun is at high position at the noon. Why do flowers need water? Flowers need water to grow. Language based question. Match the words in column A with the meanings in column B. Watering. So it will be pouring water. Noonday, at noon. Roots, the part of the plants that grow under the ground. Then boots, a type of shoes. And the last, soak. So what is it? To make something completely wet. You can see, children, over here numbers are given. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So over here same 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 numbers are given. You have to, looking at the sentence, you have to write the numbers over here and do circle. Rearrange the following letters to make meaningful words. First one is morning, flower, noonday, mouth, boots, earth. Write the antonyms of the following words. Late, low, evening, leaf. Write the rhyming words for the following. R, flower, high, die, roots, boots, heat, feet. Early, late, morning, evening, high, low, die, leaf. Then enjumble the names of the flowers. So here is what EORS, what it becomes ROSE, rose. SOLTUL, so what it becomes LOTUS, lotus. YILL, LILY, lily. SAMNIEJ, so JASMINE, jasmine. Dear children, complete this exercise in your workbook with neat and clean handwriting. Thank you.